Check, check. Sound test. Ligaya V41S acoustic guitar. Got a picture of your house, and you're standing by the door. It's black and white and faded, and it's looking pretty worn. See the factory that I work, silhouetted in the back. The memories are gray, but man, they're really coming back. I don't